tiny blossom.
Sitting. Sitting. The boy is sitting on the chair. Standing. Standing. The boy is standing. Walking. Walking. The boy is walking. Running. Running. The boy is running. Laughing. Laughing. They are laughing. Crying. Crying. She is crying. Eating. Eating. He is eating a food. Throwing. Throwing. He is throwing the ball. Catching. Catching. He is catching the ball. Kicking. Kicking. He is kicking the football. Jumping. Jumping. They are jumping. Clapping. Clapping. They are clapping the hands. Reading. Reading. They are reading the book. Writing. Writing. They are writing. Yawning. Yawning. He is yawning. Dancing. Dancing. They are dancing. Drinking. Drinking. They are drinking the water. Singing. Singing. She is singing a song. Swimming. Swimming. They are swimming. Climbing. Climbing. They are climbing a rope. Bathing. Bathing. He is bathing. Thank you.